Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, hello, my name is Brittany, and my channel name is pronounced Bradestein. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the thumbnail, is one that I thought was such a good idea. When I thought of it, I was like, damn, this is good. I need to do this. This needs to happen. I would want to watch this. Other people might want to watch this too. So today's video is going to be me doing a full face except for foundation and concealer, because these items I did not have, but everything else is going to be a full face of items that I've gotten in previous Boxycharms since signing up for Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, I'll link some videos up below of me unboxing. It's just a beauty subscription where they send you a bunch of makeup each month and you get to try it all, and it's a really great service. And if you haven't seen it, you should check it out. I'll link it down below. It's really rad. So I figured we get so much stuff from Boxycharm, and then just so much new makeup is always being released and being like in your face, and you want to try all your new stuff, that you get all this stuff, and how often do you get to really use all of it? So I thought this video would be a good way to go back through the highlights from Boxycharm and use stuff you haven't used in a while and actually get use out of the stuff you're getting in your subscription service. So that's what this video is going to be. If you like this video idea, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, or if you enjoy it while you're watching it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so you will have to be subscribed to be entered, so make sure to do that. And so you can see videos, because I put up videos every week. I think that's going to be it for the intro spiel, so I think we should just go ahead and put some makeup on our face. I think we should do that. Let's do that. If you would like to see me do a full face with items only from Boxycharms of the past, just keep on watching. Okay, I guess I should take off the hood. I'm just in comfort mode. Wanted to stay in comfort mode. If I seem low energy, I apologize. I have a slight hangover, I guess you could say. Not really a hangover, but I'm lethargic from last night's festivities. I don't feel sick, I just mostly feel like completely drained and sleepy. But I really want to do this. I thought of it a couple days ago, and I was like, I need to have this. The next time I film, I need to film this, because I just think it's a good idea. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start with brows, and I have two different products that I still regularly use for brows that I've gotten in Boxycharm. The first item I'm going to go in with is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power, and this is in the shade Universal Taupe. If you haven't seen the video where I unbox this, I'll link it in the cards or down below. I didn't think this was going to work for me, because Universal Taupe, like with how dark my hair is, I was like, not so much. But I was wrong, and I do, what is this? I do like to use this. I use this a lot on my natural brow days, and then I use it first as my first step lately when I do my brows. I do this and then set it with the next product. So let's go ahead and put on some brows. I'll bring you in a little bit. We got this. So hi, nice to see you so close and personal. I'm gonna do the brows rather quickly, because like my brows take a while, because this one's crazy and then this one's pretty good. But yeah, that's all I want to say. Okay, so that's the first step of my brow, and if I wasn't going to do a lot of makeup, I would leave it like that and then just throw in some brow gel. But since we are going for a more, prominent brow today, I'm going to go in with the next product I would use, which I also got in Boxycharm. And that item is the Brow Gal, and this is the convertible brow palette, and it says O2, so I guess that's the shade? I don't know. But mine's broken because I use it all the time. As you see, the mirror just comes right off. And I'm going to go in with this shade. As you see, I've already hit pan on it in two different places. Like, I use it a lot. And I'm also going to go in with this Brow Gal brow brush that we also got in Boxycharm at the same time as we got this. That was a very good box for me. I will link that box up there or down below or whatever it'll let me do as well. And now I'll just fill it in a little more. Set the brow pencil. All right, and that is my other brow. It looks a little weird, I gotta brush it out a bit, but that is my brow situation. I like to put the powder on top because I feel like it holds the wax down, and same with the wax. I feel like by putting the waxy pencil down first, it gives the powder something to stick to. So this has been my routine lately. I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow off camera, and I will be right back, and we will get into the eyes. Okay, so now that we have the brows on, we're going to go in and do the eyes while I have you in all close. Okay, for eyes, we have so many options. If you've had Boxycharm a while, you know they love to give us eyeshadow palettes. So let me see what I have here that we can choose from. I literally have all of these eyeshadow palettes that I've gotten from Boxycharm. There might even be more down there, but these are the ones that I'm able to find right now. I've gotten rid of only one, I believe, ever that I got that I didn't like from Boxycharm, but like we got these two. This one here, where is it? This one, Warm Up. This is actually the palette I used on my wedding day because I loved it. I haven't used it in a while. It's just like a neutral tone palette. I used this on my wedding day. We have the same palette, but this one's in the cool tone shades, which I have gotten some use out of. We recently got this Winky Lux one with this adorable packaging. Beautiful palette, this shade. Gorgeous, under the lower lash line with brown eyes. This one I haven't actually gotten a chance to use yet because, I don't know, it hasn't inspired me that much, but I mean the shades are beautiful. I just have like a bajillion eyeshadow palettes, so I haven't gotten a chance to use this one yet, so that's a contender. Oh, we have the other Pure palette that we got a couple months ago. Oh, so perfect, such good neutral shades. But the one I think I'm going to use is the new Boxycharm and Pure palette that we just got in this last month, just because I feel like more people are going to want to see a look with this since it's new and it's hot. But all of these palettes I've shown you are really good, and give me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial with this one or with any of the other palettes over here, because I'd be happy to do that. I have kept them and I enjoy them, but I think I'm going to use the Pure one for today. I think I want to freaking use this blue this time. I already did create a look with this palette. I've used it a couple times. I put one on my Instagram with like a purpley pink look. If you want to see that, I will put my Instagram on the screen here so that you can find it. But I haven't gotten a chance to use the blue one yet, and I'm really excited. So I think that's what we're going to do today. Get real colorful and real weird with it. So let's do that. Let's do that. Don't be alarmed. I throw in some shadow shields so that we could have a nice wing shape. That blue is so bright and so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now that I have the blue down, I'm going to take a combination of this purple and this brown, mix them together, mostly the purple shade here. I hope I was on frame when I was saying that. The purple and the brown, and I'm going to define the crease how it's, you know, rounded and winged. I'm going to define the crease around the rounded portion, make it more intense. I love to do that, as you might know if you've seen other videos, so let's do that now. Okay, now that we're done with that, I can definitely say that I prefer this blue with a finger over a brush. I tried to kind of reshape it with a brush, and I did get some fallout, so I'm going to dust that away. I'm going to, real quick, do liner. I don't think, yeah, no, we haven't gotten a liquid liner, so I'm going to go do liner. I'll do mascara back with you guys. So I will be right back to do that in just a moment. All right, okay, all right. Okay guys, now that we have the liner on, I'm going to go ahead and smudge out the lower lash line, do some mascara, all that jazz. So let's do that. Beautiful, beautiful. I love that shade on the lower lash line because when you have that denser brush, it just makes it so intense. I'm into it. All right, and then for an inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to take this highlighting palette that we got in last month's Boxycharm, and I'm going to take this blue shade here and hit those inner corners, make them dazzle, dazzle if you will. I haven't actually gotten a chance to use this for this purpose, so I'm pretty excited to see if it brings this together like I think it will, because I think it will. Yep, I knew what I was doing. I knew that I knew what I was doing. Look at how like just bright and popping that is. Into it, into it, into it, into it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put on some mascara. Oh, no. Let's finish up the face before I do mascara because I want to set my face. So for the highlighter that we got in our Boxycharm, there's two I could choose from that I could find at the moment, and the two that I'm debating between right now is Ofra Rodeo Drive, which we got in one Boxycharm. Speaking of which, all of these unboxings I'll link down below so that you can find them. So there's this. I'm not sure if I want gold with this look. I think I'm going to go with this one, which is also a gold, but it's more of a white gold, and it is this shade right here in the middle. Oh, when I unboxed this, I did not think, what is happening with my hair? This is why I don't wear my hair down for videos. When I unboxed this, I was not like overly excited, but the first time I put it on my face, it blew my mind. It is so beautiful. If you haven't given it a chance yet because of the way it felt when you unboxed it, make sure to give it a chance because it's just beautiful. So I'm going to back you on out to do the rest of the face because this is very close, and let's do that. Okay, so again, we're going in with the shade here on like a synthetic packed brush. So good. Isn't that just so pretty? I think it's gorgeous. Okay, I don't know why I did this in such a weird order. Normally I would contour before I highlighted, but I forgot that I had this. So this is the IBY Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette. I've used the crap out of this. Look at them. So we're gonna go ahead and use that shade to contour up my cheeks right now, real quick. Just a quick little contour, nothing too intense. I forgot how much I like this contour palette. I used to use it all the time, but I got that Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Kit, and that top center shade is like my perfect shade. This is a little warm, which I didn't remember it being, but I used to use this thing like every single day until I got that Kat Von D one. Okay, we are sufficiently contoured, and now let's go ahead and pop on some blush. So for blush, I have more than two blushes that I've gotten in Boxycharm, but I have two on hand because I can't find the other one, and I'm debating on which one to use. This is the newest one. It's the one from Pretty Vulgar, and this is in the shade Hush Blush. And then this is from Real Her, and it's 3 baked blushes. I haven't gotten a chance to use either. Well, I have used this. I haven't really used this that much, so I guess I should go with this one. I'll take this shade here because I think it is a nice pinky purple, kind of like what's going on in the eyes. I'm just going to go in with a light amount though, because the eyes are already pretty intense and we don't want it to get too crazy. So I'm taking this one here, and this is kind of a little shimmery and pink, and we'll pop it on and meld those together there. Ooh, that's pretty pigmented. I didn't expect that. It's cute though. Cute little flush. I like it. I'll have to keep this out to play with it a little more because I actually do like that shade. Okay, real quick, I'm going to set my face. And to set my face, I'm going to use the Cover FX setting spray. We got this spray in a Boxycharm a couple months ago, and I love it. I have a love-hate relationship with it, if I'm real with you, because it sets my makeup in a way that nothing else does. Like, it looks gorgeous when I set it with this, but there's little specks of glitter in it. So if they can make this exact setting spray without the glitter, I would be over the moon. But I use it even though it has glitter because I like it that much. So let's do that now. So good. The mister on this is amazing. Okay, now it's just for mascara and lips, and we will be done. So for mascara, a mascara that we have gotten in a Boxycharm is this Tarte Tartist mascara, which I really, really, really like. At first I didn't because the brush, it stabs. It stabs you in the eyes. But the more I've used it, the more I've just fallen in love with it. Because I'm one that layers mascaras. I like to use 2 mascaras at a time. But I can use this one on its own, which I love. This palette I actually got in Boxycharm as well. I've never used it, but the mirror is amazing. So that's what I'm using it for now. Okay, so this is the completed eye look with 2 coats of that Tarteist mascara. I think it came out so pretty. It's so colorful. It's so like good for this time of year. I've been wanting to experiment with color lately, so I'm so excited to be doing that. I recently got into my Photobucket account, and if you guys remember Photobucket's account when MySpace was like the thing, I found so many old photos of makeup that I did because I've been into this for so long. I actually used to make pictorials where I would take a photo of my makeup and like put typing on the photo to show you like how to do it. Like I'll insert one right here real quick. Isn't that hilarious? I don't know. It took me so long to get into YouTube, but I've always liked doing tutorials on makeup. I just didn't know that this was even an option until about a year ago, or at least I knew, but I hadn't jumped into it. So anyways, I don't know where that came from. Just the point is, I like this makeup look. I like colorful makeup looks, and I think I'm actually going to be doing a little series on my channel recreating old looks from what I did in high school with very little skill, mind you, and recreating them now that I have a little more skill. So anyways, let's go ahead and do the lip. So for the lips, I'm going to be going in with this. We got these together in a box, which I will link, like I said. These are both from Real Her. This is the Real Her Expert Advice Lip Liner. And then this is the Real Her Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Love. And I'm going to put them on real quick for you and finish off this look. I hope this matches with the eye look because I couldn't find any other lip that I got from Boxycharm. We've gotten lips before, right? I don't know. I can't find them. I can't find them. Okay, so that's the completed look. Thank you guys for hanging out. Imagine 1995. Chunti. Okay guys, so this is the completed look with the eyes, the lips, everything done. I realize this lip might be a little intense for everyone, so if you are recreating this, you could always do a nude, you could always do whatever it is that you want, but I kind of like this with it. I think that the tones and the purpley pink go with the purpley pink and the eyeshadow, and that's a happy coincidence considering I didn't plan the look out ahead of time, so I'm really glad that it doesn't look completely terrible. If you like this video when you're watching it, or if you like the concept of this idea, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, give me a comment down below, let me know what your favorite item you've ever gotten from Boxycharm is, and if you don't have Boxycharm, let me know what your favorite item is out of the items that I just used, because I'm just curious and I just want you to say hi, you know? It's say hi. It would help me out a whole lot considering, you know, YouTube's changed their whole guidelines and stuff, and without things like that, my channel just doesn't exist to anyone. So if you could do that, help a sister out, that would be amazing. And if you haven't subscribed, if you want to be part of the Brat Pack, if you want to be part of the little Brat Pack, this group of people hanging out with me, watching my videos, talking to me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I would very much appreciate it, and I would love to have you around. And anyways, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. And you know, I will see you in the next one, but if you are still so interested, I might have something else you would like. And that's these two videos over here. If you click on these links, it'll take you to videos I put up in the past. And if you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe, like I've asked you to do about 1,000,000 times. So watch a video, subscribe, and I will see you later. All right?